watermelon. Watermelon. Who's that? Banana. Where's the banana? Show me the banana. No, there's an apple. Apple. Where's the banana? Yeah, that's right. How about the butterfly? Yes. And the bear? Bear. Bear. No, it's a bat. It's a bat. Okay, you show me the apple. Where's the apple? No, apple. Yeah. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, it's a ball. You're right. How about the bear? Yeah, it's a brown bear. Okay, that's right. How about your caterpillar shoe? Where is it? Where is your caterpillar shoe? What's that? Okay, can I eat first? I eat first, okay? Okay? I eat first, okay?